Alright, so I just updated the VR template for UE4 to version 0.2. That has a lot of control schemes added into the mix. So I'll just show you what you get out of the box with decoupled viewing. Let's just let this one load. Alright, cool. So you can see in the Rift we have head movement, which is nice, so it works well. Decoupled viewing, so I can move the head around and then see the body underneath me. But when I move the mouse, you see the entire body moves with it. So this is kind of jarring actually in VR. It's very disorienting, I guess, just because you're being jerked around a lot. So a lot of smarter people than me have made up some pretty cool control schemes for VR, and I've kind of just implemented them in this template. So first of all, we've got the VR player controller, which is really where all the settings will be. The first thing I want to show you is does rotate towards the HMD orientation. So this is basically, it'll rotate the player's body when you move your head. So firstly implemented, it rotates the camera and the body. So someone actually suggested this on the forum post. So we have the keyhole, which is the amount we turn before it starts rotating, and then it'll rotate the HMD and body. I'll just show you this just because show you why I don't really use it. So again, let's just let this load. Cool. So as we see, we've got the same similar thing as before, but when I turn more than 45 degrees, you see the body will start rotating with me. This is cool, it works well, but it's very disorienting because you're getting your head moved without actually having head movement. So I mean, you could do higher if it was maybe say 90 degrees, it could work a bit better, but at the moment it's a little bit disorienting. So next thing to try is disabling camera and body movement. So this means that just the camera will move, so your body will stay still, more or less, and just the camera will move, or other way around. The body will move and the camera will stay still. I'll just show you to try and get a little bit more of what I'm trying to convey. Just let this load again. Cool. So as you can see, head moves, same thing. But yeah, so you see the body moves, but it doesn't jerk the camera with it. So you're free to move the camera wherever you like, and the body will just catch up. This is really nice because you can walk as well. So you can walk forward and turn to the left, and it'll slowly start turning to the left, or turn to the right, and you can slowly start walking to the right. But as you can see, the problem here now is that moving left and right, when you're standing still, your body still moves left and right, which is kind of a little bit disorienting again. So this is where the next option comes in. We look here, we have tank mode while not moving. If we enable this, we're basically, when we have no velocity, when we're not moving, we are a tank. So basically, just our head moves and our body stays firmly on the ground. So I'll show you this. Alright, so we have same thing as before, but you see I'm a tank when I'm not moving, and if I start moving, I can rotate and the body will catch up to my head movement, which is actually really nice, and actually a really nice control scheme. I'll just move it around here a little bit, so you can just see how it works. Alright, lastly, the thing I have implemented in this control scheme update is comfort mode. So this was developed really by the guys at Cloudhead Games, and I'm just kind of using it in this template just so you can have a go and see what it's like. So it's in the My Character Exploration no head bob, just no head bob. I haven't implemented any of the others. You can if you like, but this was just all I had time for. So if we look down, what you'll be met with is kind of like just the variables of this blueprint, which is just the pawn on the character. So if we go into the comfort mode and just turn it on, one sec, and then we also have base turn amount. No, that's not what I want. Comfort mode step degrees, exactly, that's what I want. So currently it's 30 degrees, so every time we move the mouse or the joystick, what would be 30 degrees, instead of seeing the animation from 0 to 30, it'll just 0, and then once you hit 30, it'll snap to 30. So this is just another control scheme possibility. I'll save that, and now that's enabled. We'll give it a shot. So you see, I don't know if I can put that on, yeah. We still have rift orientation, but now if I move with the mouse, you can see it jumps in 30-degree increments. So I can move again, move with the HMD. It's a little bit hard to do this with only two hands, but so you can see I can move, and then as well add to the comfort mode with the 30-degree increments. So that's really all I'm implemented so far. Make sure you tell me what you want in it. I'll try my best to do it. And also feel free to add to the template as well and post it back in the forum post. Alright, see you next time.